Let me show you the simplest way for uploading YouTube Shorts to your YouTube channel using your computer. You could do this on a Windows PC or on Mac. Let's jump into uploading process, which is actually the same as uploading a regular YouTube video. But you have to make sure you do two things right. One, the video has to be in the vertical format. It would be good if the video is 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. You can use different websites to make sure that you convert or you upload a video into that pixels or that resolutions. You can either use Canva or you can use any other website. I'll leave the link down in the video description box for you. You can just click on that and then you can upload your video in there, and then that way you will be able to convert your video to 1920 by 1080 pixels. All right, and then the second thing that's really important is you have to make sure it's less than 60 seconds. In this video I meet both of these conditions. I just need to click on create and upload and then select a file, and I will let that upload for a second. While it's uploading, I can go ahead and give this a title. You don't have to add any type of hashtags. Some people say you have to add the hashtag shorts, which you can. You could type in any hashtag you want in here. For example, add hashtags like this, but you don't have to do that. Remember, you do not need to add any hashtag if you don't want to. This is just an additional option that you have. So I usually do add a couple of hashtags like here. The descriptions, you can leave it completely blank. When I upload a short video, I usually do not give any descriptions in here. I just leave it blank. Now if you look over here under the video link, in a couple of minutes it's going to say youtube.com and then /shorts. You want to make sure it says shorts, so as long as it is vertical and it's less than 60 seconds, you should be fine. You can actually add it to a playlist. Add this to playlist. You could also go down here and add some tags. Next, if you are in the monetization program, you could actually turn on monetization in here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now here I can skip all these, and here I could make sure this is public so it gets published right away, or I could leave it on unlisted or private, or I could schedule it for a later time. I'm going to leave it to public and press publish down here, and the video has been published, and this is what the video looks like on YouTube. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.